HipKit friends, it's Anke here with you today, sharing a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club. It's Product Focus Wednesday and I create a layout focusing on the die-cut borders and the fabric label die-cuts which are included in the August main kit. I cut a circle from white cardstock and then I glue a piece of the HipKit Club exclusive Chase the Sun Dream Destinations paper on the upper half of this circle. In the bottom half of the circle I place two fringe borders from the die-cut borders and tropical leaves pack. Then I add a leaf border, which I adhere with foam pads for a more dimensional look. Finally, I add a scallop border. I back my photo with two pocket life cards and place it on my layout. Then I pick out some of the HipKit Club exclusive Chase the Sun fabric label die cuts and arrange them around my photo. I choose some of the floral die cuts from the Floral and Title die cuts pack, which is included in the August embellishment kit, and add them to my layout, combined with some leaf die cuts from the die cut borders and tropical leaves pack. The title is from the exclusive Chase the Sun Puffy Phrase stickers pack, which is included in the August embellishment kit. Now I cut some clouds from white cardstock using metal dies. I place them on top of the circle near the upper right corner of my photo, combined with a sun sticker from the Chase the Sun Puffy Shape stickers pack, which you can find in the August Pocket Life kit. Then I add more fabric label die cuts and puffy shape stickers and some dark blue color splatters. Therefore I use shimmer spray from a previous color kit. I have some leftover pieces of a fringe border which I cut to a smaller size, embellish them with floral and fabric die cuts and place them in the upper right and the bottom left corner of my layout. add 2 chipboard mini phrase stickers which are included in the August Pocket Life kit. I continue embellishing the page with a floral die cut, a flower from the Puffy Phrase stickers pack, and some of the mini Puffy accent stickers, which you can also find in the August Pocket Life kit. Finally, I add some machine stitching and Nuvo drops from my stash. Here you can see my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.